HoneyBook Scheduler is a feature that helps streamline the scheduling process for meetings, consultations, and other appointments with clients. Here's a brief guide on how to use it. Access the scheduler. Log into your HoneyBook account. Navigate to the scheduler section from the main dashboard. Create a new scheduling link. Click on Create Scheduling Link. Choose the type of appointment, such as a meeting, consultation, or call. Set availability. Define your availability by selecting the days and times you're available for appointments. Set buffer times between appointments to avoid back-to-back bookings. Customize appointment details. Name the appointment type and provide a description. Set the duration of the appointment. Add any specific instructions or information clients need to know before the meeting. Integrated calendar. Sync the scheduler with your personal or business calendar to ensure all bookings are automatically added. This helps avoid double bookings and keeps your schedule up to date. Share scheduling link. Copy the generated scheduling link. Share the link with clients via email. Embed it on your website or include it in your email signature. Client booking. Clients can click on the link, view your availability, and book a time slot that works for them. They will receive a confirmation email, and the appointment will be added to your HoneyBook calendar. Automated reminders. HoneyBook will automatically send reminders to clients before the appointment. You can customize the reminder settings as needed.